Hey guys, welcome back to Amber Shimmer. I'm Amber Shimmer. If you're new here, welcome. If you have been here before, you're noticing that my hair is blonde. This is a midway point between the way my hair was and some more fun color. Right now, this is where we're at, but time will tell. I honestly have no idea what my hair will look like next time I film. So enjoy this. So tonight I'm going to a Halloween party. I haven't really been to a party in quite a while. Everybody there will be vaccinated, etc., etc. I'm excited. Should be a lot of fun, and I figured I'd get on here and record myself getting ready for it. I am wearing a costume, not right now, but later on. I'm going to be Velma from Scooby-Doo. So I'm not gonna do any like fantasy makeup really. We're just kind of doing some simple autumn makeup. So if you're interested in that, stick around. We're gonna use the Fenty Eavesdrop for foundation. Mirror. Let me clip my hair out of the way. That's better. I really like the Eavesdrop. I don't know, have I mentioned it on here before? I don't know. But it works really well for me. So I want to catch you guys up on what's been going on. I finished round 1 of my writing workshop. It's been absolutely amazing. I am learning from, honestly, one of the authors I've admired since I was a teenager, which was probably a little too young to be reading his work. And it's just amazing to me. Honestly, like, I'm not from Portland, right? I moved to Portland in large part because I knew he was from around here and that he was part of the writing scene here. Like, not in a creepy way, just like a kind of, you know, what if one day I'm able to enter his writing group? So a couple months ago, several months ago now, I guess, he and one of his longtime friends, another popular author from Portland, posted a notice that they would be taking students first come, first serve. And I tried to get in, of course, because, you know, kind of dream come true, right? And I actually was waitlisted. I was okay with it. It gave me the summer to recuperate. I had been taking some French classes before that, and I was really intensively doing French through most of the pandemic. So I got to take the summer off before like jumping into something else, which was really nice. But I was super shocked when their TA emailed me and let me know that there was a second round happening. And they basically said that there was a spot if I wanted it, but it started on Monday, and this was on a Friday afternoon. I was at work, I was just scanning through my email, you know, as you do, and like, I didn't really even have to think about it. I knew I had the money, so that wasn't an issue. And I knew that no matter what, I had to make this work. Like, I didn't talk to anybody, replied back immediately, and I accepted. Because there is no world in which I would not have accepted that. Like, it's a dream come true, it truly is. That Monday, I went, and it was pretty cool. We met at a graveyard, and we actually went around and placed flower arrangements which had been blessed with spells by the florist who had arranged them. That's what she does. So we went to the graves of some female historical figures from Portland, and it was really wonderful. And then we sat around and people read their work, and Everyone was really cool. It was very overwhelming. Like my favorite author was there. Like just being around two like such well-respected writers, just mind-blowing. And honestly, I didn't say that much that first day, but there were people, you know, you see people, you're like, they're probably my people, but we'll see how this goes. So that's basically what happened. Oh shoot, I forgot to turn my light on. All right, I'm gonna do that right now. Ah, that's much better, right? Sorry about that. All right, let's see. Got some foundation on. I want some longevity here, so I'm gonna powder. I don't usually powder. I wanna make sure my makeup lasts all night, and we're gonna be outdoors most of the night. So I just wanna make sure my makeup running doesn't ruin everything. Not that it would, honestly, I don't care. If I'm having a blast, my makeup can be running down my face, that's fine. We can preempt these things. So I went, and the stories people told were just fantastic. Like, I was incredibly impressed with the quality of the work shared that first day, and I was completely overwhelmed, and they invited me to go to the bar with them, and I had to run away because I was so overwhelmed, but you know. So after that, we started meeting at an old haunted theater in Southeast Portland. Pretty cool place, has a lot of artistic energy there. And I got to know some of the other writers. I got used to being in the room with the, with the authors, our mentors. There's only 20 of us, so it's a very small group working directly with them. I read twice. I read 2 chapters of a novel I'm writing, and I got some amazing feedback, and I love having my friends read my work and they tell me they love it too. And that's awesome. I love when my friends care to read my work. But something like this, like the air is so professional. People are not going to sugarcoat things or lie to you about things that work and don't work. Their goal is to get you actually to be able to produce something sellable. We're here not as a hobby, but because we're serious about this, and it really changes the nature of the feedback you get. Additionally, everybody is pretty good-natured with critique, both giving and receiving. The mentors, I am avoiding telling you exactly which writers, just to keep a little anonymity, I guess. You could probably trace it if you really cared to, but I don't know, don't. When I read my work, the mentors both gave me such amazing stuff, such great advice for like specifically the little writing quirks I need to get out of and things like that. And also ideas to make the work stronger, to give it more emotional impact. Before I joined this, I joined with the intention to go harder in my work. Like I could feel myself holding back in my writing, even though I was trying not to. And I figured if anybody could teach me how to not hold back, it would be these people. So, and honestly, it's been fantastic. I've already made a lot of progress, I feel, and I learn more and more from them every single moment I spend with them. So it's so cool. Let me find a blush. Oh, I want to use one of my new blushes. I haven't done a haul in forever, so all my like newer makeup is kept separate right now, and I forget what I have, so bear with me. Okay, all right. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty blush here in Hope. I just got this in a little trial set. It's one of their holiday offerings. And I have not used this formula yet, so let's see how I actually like this. I'm gonna use this powder brush to work it in. I like that. Ooh, I'm gonna need a highlighter. we are going to use, this is from Black Moon Cosmetics. It is the Moonlighter Bioluminescent Pressed Powder in Glowworm. So the workshop went for 10 weeks. 10 amazing, hugely quick, like this was the quickest 2 weeks of my life, honestly. I don't know how time can pass that fast. Who knows? We're gonna do the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer. I mean, this has been truly crazy. Like, a journalist came to our workshop the night I was reading chapter 1 of my book. And later on in her article, she referred to our group, the 20 of us, as magnificent, deeply kind weirdos. And I need you to understand that I have integrated that into my self-image. That's who I am now. Just how it is. Yeah, so it's over now, but we're actually starting up for another round. It looks like this may actually be something they plan to build into a bigger something, which is awesome. Should that happen, maybe I will give a little bit more detail on this stuff. But for right now, we'll leave it at this vagueness that you could probably still figure out, but whatever. Yeah, so we're gonna do it again. I'm really excited. I'm signed up to do it. We're doing it at a new venue, unfortunately. So the new venue does sound nice, so I can't complain too much, you know. Really excited to do it again and to be part of what I honestly feel like is becoming a movement. Yeah, so I'll be hanging out with some of my writing workshop people tonight, and I'm super excited. We need to do eyes. What do we want to do for eyes? I am actually gonna grab the Ace Beauté Falling For You palette. This I got in my BoxyCharm. It is actually a palette I'm giving to my wife, but it's in reach right now and I'm just gonna use it and then she can have it. I've heard really good things about this formula and I'm considering picking up their new tropical palette as well as the Oceanic, which was reformulated. So I really want to try this new formula. Let's see how it goes. I am gonna start with Pine Cone. I am gonna diffuse this a little bit. Now I'm gonna take Squash. And I'm gonna use it on this fluffy guy. Just work it in here a little bit. Soften the edge. Honestly, it's been a while now and I'm still in shock that I even got into this thing. The fact that I can do it again, that I'm invited back, like, as far as I can tell indefinitely, is like, wow. I'm going to become a writer, this is how I do it. And I realized that. And it's kind of weird to like realize that, to think about that. I am going to do persimmon on this little brush. And I'm actually gonna use this as a pop in my inner corner. I know I talk about this writing workshop a lot because I have to. I mean, I was here and then I wasn't. And honestly, like, I just can't believe this is my life still. I'm still in awe that this is even my life. I don't know. Life is very strange. So, for funsies, I'm curious if you got to learn from one of your heroes and something that you like to do, who would you like to learn from? Who would you choose to be your mentor if you could choose any living master of whatever it is you like to do? I think that'd be a fun topic to discuss. For me, it would have been the person who is my mentor now. And that, I cannot get over it. I will never get over it. The Ace Beauté shimmers are giving me real glam light vibes. All right, let's get some eyeliner on. All right, let's do the Milk Kush Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, I don't know if this is just a bad one, but this is not applying well. So I am going to use the Maquillage one instead. Let me finish this up. Now we're gonna use this ColourPop marker and do can't find my star. Wait, got it. This is from the Cream Shop. All right, let's stick the eyeglasses back on. Now, let's move this up a little bit. I'm going to use the LH Cosmetics Altair Flash pencil as a lip liner. Now for my actual lip, I'm using the Fenty Mademoiselle Matte Lipstick in Freckle Fiesta. And there we go. That is my look. Imagine this on top of a Velma outfit, and that's it. Thank you guys for being here. Hope you enjoyed this. Stick around. Eventually there will be more. Give her a thumbs up and subscribe and all of that good stuff. Thank you for being here, and see you all soon. Bye.